Hi, my name is Brenda Herkett. I'm the media specialist at the high school. Today I want to just remind students that we have an app called SORA. This app will be available from the elementary up to high school age, and I'm going to show you how to access it if you do not have it already. So take a look at this tutorial and see what we have. To find the SORA app, you will go to the App Store and type in the search bar down below, SORA, SORA. When you search, it's a bubbly guy, so it's the one on the right, the guy that looks like a bubbly thing flying in the air. And so you want to go ahead and install it. Mine's been installed on my iPad, and so once I click on there, it will come to our starting page. This is the tricky part. You will have to go down to the part that says Find My School. Once you do that and click on that, our school is not listed in those two boxes, so you need to go down to the bottom where it says My School Isn't Listed. Once you do that, the second trickiest part is it's not found in Wood River. It is found through our Educational Service Unit, so you will type in ESU. Once you do that, the Nebraska Schools Shared Digital Collection will show up, and that's when you click on This is My School. After you do that, the next page says Sign in to School. We also need to find again ESU 10, Educational Service Unit 10. And then click the green Sign In using Educational Service. And it says you want to let the app sign in. Yes, I do. Every student in the school district will have an email address or a Google address, and so they will type that in there. The student's address is their first initial, last name, and graduation date, and their username is first initial, last name, and their lunch number. Click Submit, then it authorizes your child to be in. This is our online books. There are several available. Depending on the age level of the student, they'll have different screens that start up here. One thing is they can scroll to look for books. Also, if they know for sure what they're looking for, they can click Explore. They can search for the book up in the left-hand corner. And that's about it for that. Now, how do you check out a book? You find the book that you want and click on it. And then when you see it here, it says over on the right-hand side, Hello, Goodbye Dog. It says Place Hold. That means that this book has already been checked out and we cannot get it. So I need to push Explore to go back. And I need to find a book that I can find that says it's ready to borrow. The other thing I want to talk about is the audiobooks. On the left-hand side where it says Madeline Flynn Library Dog, it is also available to borrow because it has the blue borrow beside it right there. We're going to go down to a regular book, which is the Donut Fix series, and I'm going to click on Borrow. Once I do that, the book loads in my iPad. Once you leave the book, or leave the app, the book is still in the iPad. It's loaded and it has a picture down at the bottom. This is the home part of your SORA app, and so in the middle it says See All Loans. So you can go in there to see that you can still open it, and then also it's due back in 13 days. The library will automatically take that book back after the 14 days. If you want to, you can go down to Me, and you can see some achievements that the students have. You can always click on the bottom to get back to the book. Once I go back to Home, there are several different things that you can look at. There is also some recommendations for you. The students can have up to 3 books at a time. And so if they want to, they can search for them and read them on their iPads. Once you click borrow, it's in your list. And you can read it. Once you go home, it shows that you have 2 books now out. And the 2 books, see all loans. I click on the book, and then it also gives me the option to renew or return. So if you change your mind and do not want to watch or read that book at that time, you can click on the button that says return, and it will send it back to the library, and then you can check out another book. Hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, let us know. But we are excited that kids can still access books and read while they're at home learning. So thank you.